Good day, this is Jim, and it's Slop in the shop time. We got some more purchases and items, obviously, what these videos are about, and odd and end things. So let's mix up all this slop, go out and feed the pig, and you guys enjoy the video. Okay, we're going to do a purchase today. And one of them is, this is a German back plunge indicator like a Starrett that I found on eBay. And this is really a quality indicator, and I paid $25 for it. And it's something I kind of wanted, because I could see the utility in the back plunge. So this is a German made one. It's really heavy. It's a lot heavier than a Starrett. So that is one of the purchases. And I went to Horrible Freight, and I'm going to do, remember I'm talking about some organizational efforts. So one of the things I'm going to do is organize my toolbox a little better. I've got two of these 3-piece organizers for sockets. And that's one of the things I'm going to work on today. And the other thing I'm going to work on today is rerouting the airline. I'll kind of bring you along for that. I got to get the air conditioner cut on. I'll probably do the airline first, so I won't have to turn the air compressor on. You know, I ain't got the air compressor on, so my lines are bled down. So I'll bring you along for that too. I hear the fan running with my cordless mic, because it is kind of humid this morning in the shop. So what I've done is, you've seen how I've had this. Well, what I did here, I forgot whether this was a regular fitting or an adapter fitting, why it isn't got a press on it. I'm thinking it's connector fitting. It's just a regular airline. I don't think it's no, it is. Let me get a knife. I'll be right back. That's not going to slide. When you can't succeed, you try again. And in the mechanics world, they call these things blue flame wrenches. You just want to heat this up a little bit to get it to roll. Take the propane torches, hit it right quick. And this expands it and it jerks it right off. Alright, and I'm going to go get me a drill. Find the appropriate bit to drill the right size hole. We're going to drill a hole into the bench, and we're going to put the hole down here below. In case you hadn't wondered, in case you hadn't caught on yet, this is PEX water line that I'm using for airlines in my shop. And one of the things is, I have PEX tools that I have bought. See if you can see this, get you in the frame. This is going to be the line that's going to run under the bench. So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to put this one together, and then we're going to put the other connector together, and then we're going to reach up under the bench and thread this up. This should be plenty long enough to join the two. And then I want to get this right in there like that. Okay, we're clamped. Now, let me cut the camera off and get up under here and thread this out. I run out of those, what they call Pro connectors. Oh, I got one more Pro connector. The Pro connector's got a little red piece of plastic on it. What it does is keeps it from going too deep. That's what they call it, a Pro connector. And so what we're doing here is just flipping this right over on that Pro connector, and we're connecting these up. Hardest part of dealing with the PEX is always crimping it. And they make these are the older PEX tools. They make newer ones that ratchet. Now just knock that thing off, that don't matter. And what we're going to do is, we're going to push this. See, they want a little bit of slack, so we'll push this back up. We're going to actually put in, when we get done, we're going to put clamps back in, hold this up against the wall, wherever kind of we want it. Once I get this sort of in place, and there. So now all I got to do is attach my underneath kind of where I want it, and then I'll be good to go. I'll be golden. All right, I'll find my other fitting. It's laying here on the table, and then we'll cut it off and fit it. I'll bring you back and show you that. Personally, let me kind of bring you back a little bit. I think that makes a lot cleaner in place there. I'm gonna pull back a little. That kind of cleans that up a little bit. Gets all that air hose off of my bench. And like I say, that's the beauty of PVC. It's real simple. And if I need to take the air hose completely loose, it's right there at the bottom. It's not strung across my bench, and I can still get to it. So to me, that's a win. I'm gonna have to build a moisture trap for this thing. And I got that, get that figured out in my head. I'm gonna have to do it. I'm getting a lot of moisture in my airlines the way these are running. I've never had that before, but it seems like I have it now. All right, we'll move on to the next project. Okay, I'm gonna show you, this is handheld. What I've done is this. Now, I don't have every socket. These are the sockets I've had for all my years. And there's anything that you see laying on a tray or something underneath here, those are odds, just extras that I've had over the years. This is right here in the front. This is all 3/8 stuff here in the front. This is 3/8. In the back's half. This side's metric, this side's standard, fairly much so. Then I went down to where my socket drawer used to be for 1/2 inch, and this is my ratchet extension drawer. In this plastic tray I already had 3/8. This is 1/2 inch. Then I have an overflow drawer of 3/8, just extra 3/8 sockets and stuff. These are odds, extras that don't match a set. So that's just where I keep them, in some odd stuff like Torxes and stuff like that. So all that kind of straightened up that whole mess. Kind of what I was after, giving me a little bit more room to work right there. I hope you enjoyed Slop in the Shop. I will remind you that these videos are copyrighted production of James Dedman Sawlogs Plastic Hubs, and for your personal entertainment. I hope you enjoyed what we fed the pig today, and we'll see you in the next video.